Hi everyone, we're just at the signing session before we eat dinner. We had training this morning, good session, went through a few things, bit of downtime this afternoon, you know, everyone chilled out or did what they have to do. So we get dinner tonight, get another good night's sleep and relax and fly out to Israel tomorrow. And then, you know, that's when the real work starts and we start doing some specifics for the game. Because we all know how important the game is, so we need to get the job done and win the game.
There's too much congestion.
Okay, Chris. How's your afternoon been, Chris?
Yeah, I went to the cinema.
Did you watch that new film, Gunman or something?
No, we watched Run All Night.
Terrible.
No?
I don't know about you film choices though, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I've had a few bad ones.
I got a feeling you got a bad one in your locker.
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Catching me up here, Wardy.
When I was younger, I should have just made mine a line and 6, straight line. Number 2, you've been number
Who's
2
that?
for the last 7 years. What are you on about?
But it's not a squad number, is it? You don't.
But it might as well be.
He's going to put like Gunter 58 and counting.
Right.